Okay students, now move on to exercise F. A, B, C, D, E we have done in the last class. Now answer the following questions. Question number 1. How can you delete the text object? For this, open page number 69. Okay, deleting text object, you have to start from here. To delete a text object on a slide without deleting the slide, follow the steps. 1. Click the text object that you want to delete, then select the object will have a dash border around it. Now turn the page. Now second point, click the border of the text object. The border will change from the dash to line. Next, press the delete key, then the existing text object will be deleted. So this is the answer number 1. Now question number 2, what do you understand by text box tool? Explain the method to insert a text box in a slide. For this, open page number 70. Okay, you have to start from here. What is text box tool? Text box tool in the text group on the insert tab gives facility to add more text to your slide. Text box is a placeholder where you can enter and manipulate text, and you can move the text box along with its some contents anywhere on the slide. After this, we have to write how can we insert text box in a slide. So you have to write only this point. Click the text box tool in the text group on the insert tab, then hold down the left mouse button while dragging the mouse towards right side and release the mouse button. So after this, you will get the text box. So this is the answer number 2. Next is, what is clipart? How can you add a clipart in a presentation? For this, open page number 71. Okay, first, what is clipart? It is used to add pictures in the slide. We can add clipart image to take existing slide and enhance its appearance. And for adding a clipart, place the cursor where you want to insert the picture. Click on insert tab, then click the clipart button in the illustration group. Okay, next the clipart attachment, this line you have to cut. Now next point, type the name of the clipart that you want to insert. For example, type computer in the search for text box and click on go button. So it will display the list of clipart images related to a computer. Okay, this is the answer number 3. Now question number 4, what is shape? How will you insert a shape in a slide? For this, open page number 72. Okay, you have to start from here. Shapes is a drawing feature that helps in drawing different shapes. Shapes can be resized, rotated, flipped and colored. So how can we insert a shape? First, we have to click the shape button in the illustration group on the insert tab. Okay, pop-up menu will display options like lines, rectangles, flowcharts. Now turn the page. Point to basic shapes and move the pointer to selected smiley face and click on it. Next, the pointer will change into plus sign. Place the pointer on the slide and drag it to the edges, the size of the selected object and shape. And to resize the shape, select the shape by clicking on it. It will display 8 handles on the object. Okay, till object you have to write. Next lines you need not to write. So this is the answer number 4. Question number 5. How will you apply shadow effect to a shape? For this, open page number 74. Okay, you have to write all the steps. For number 1, select a shape object. Then click the shape effect button in the drawing group on home tab. Select shadow option. Drop down menu will appear. Cut this line. After that, click the offset center in the outer sub option and the object will appear with the shadow. This is the answer number 5. Question number 6. What is word art? Explain. For this, open page number 72. The word art feature helps us to create special text effects. It gives a unique look to the text. Using word art, we can make the text curved, wavy, shadowed or apply 3D effect, etc. So this is the answer number 6. Okay, now we have completed all the exercise. These 6 questions you have to do in your copy. We have completed the chapter, or do your work and do your studies regular and be ready for exams.